What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tommy Kentner here if you're dropping in for the first time. Today is going to be a video on the IBR high volume fuel pump. Not a video that I wanted to make, but they actually sent out an email pretty much saying the pump is defective. I don't know if it was like bad machining or not, like maybe not a good packaging deal, maybe stuff got in it, but people are having like issues where stuff's going through the injectors and it's either making like cylinder 3 go rich or it's making the car go extremely lean. So just want to put a video out there saying if you got one and you haven't installed it yet, they actually sent out an email to return it. So I would probably go ahead and do that and get your money back. So me and Roberto actually went a different direction, and we're going to have an unboxing soon. Instead of doing like full E85, we're going to go methanol, and we went with a snow performance kit. So like I said, I just want to give you all an update. Nothing against the company. I like IBR. They put out some good stuff. I feel like it was maybe rushed or something like that, but hopefully they can get it fixed, get some more R&D under it before they re-release it. Because I mean, full 85 on the 2015 WRXs would be awesome. So I would like to see it in the future. But as of right now, you can get the Nordstrom, but I have seen a few of those fail. So I would actually just hold off. If you want E85, just still do the mix of, nothing over 50% to be safe and not burn up your high volume fuel pump. But I just wanted to throw this out there. Like I said, not a video I wanted to make. I was actually really looking forward to installing that and seeing results. I mean, seeing the difference between 40% and 85% and see what they picked up, or what kind of amount of torque or anything that it picked up. Because on the STIs, that it does really good. And like I said, they're a good company. They sent out an email saying that it was having trouble, and just gave everybody a refund. So I think that's a really good move, and it wasn't questioned or anything like that. It's just send it back. So I think that they'll get it fixed, and hopefully the next video will be installing it in the future and seeing what else IBR has to offer, because I think they're going to be a good company. But guys, I just wanted to give an update, and because y'all are going to be asking, or I had a couple people asking about the fuel pump and asking about the failures. So like I said, not a video I wanted to make, but I felt like we had to put it out there since we returned it. And we're going to go, like I said, with the mess kit. So there'll probably be an unboxing on that on the channel soon. We got Brandon's GC getting tore down, and then his engine should be coming in pretty soon. So we've got a lot of content on the channel, and we'll catch y'all in the next episode. Everybody have a good day. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and always, peace.